Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, north of Richland, Michigan, standing on the road. I just stopped at a garage sale, and I thought I was going to show you what I got at the garage sale. So this is it. I got a nice box of Craftsman routers. The gentleman said that he had this and used it quite a bit, but then he doesn't do that kind of work anymore, so he didn't need it. Now, I don't do a lot of work with routers, but you know, what the heck? Box of routers and a Craftsman 1-horse router in good condition, both for $5. That set of line punches he threw in for free for nothing. This is a rapid fill tire inflator, and that he gave me for $0.25. This was 50 cents, a nice little Ingersoll Rand 1/4-inch gear grinder, die grinder. Then a ratchet hoist for $1 and another one for $2. This one's brand new, doesn't have a mark on it. This one's a little older, but a lot better shape than the ones I got at home. This impact hammer, the Skill impact hammer, I didn't plug it in. He said it works. I'd believe him. Then here's this nibbler, which was the highest priced thing of the whole bunch, but it's a cool thing. Nibblers are handy. If you do a lot of sheet metal work, car bodies, or any kind of sheet metal work, they're really handy. So that's everything I got. And the whole thing cost me 20 bucks because I threw in an extra $1 because I said I might as well just make it one even thing and not fight over the change. So that's what I got at the garage sale today. There's another video coming up later that is going to satisfy some people, I hope. And I think it's a good story. But right now, if you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. I'm on the road today. There might be another video, there might not. Depends on whether there's another garage sale.